Hello, what is going on, YouTube? I thought my mic cut off there for a bit. We're good, we're live. I hope you all are having an amazing day. This is a very good question by Jerome. It's good to see you again there. Long-term subscriber, a huge thank you for all your support. Naimo as well. Ben, appreciate your guys' support. Lots of you are coming back, so much love. If you guys continue with the support, the likes, the comments, I'll continue on pushing these exclusive technical analysis videos. Now, this question by Jerome, very good question. Comment goes, every day I'm giving you a new bottom target. First, it was $19 to $21, $23, $27, $36, and $38. So let me go ahead and break down this to you. That way, for all the new people, for the new Elliott Wave people out there, this gives you a better understanding of how I'm tackling this structure. Now, when it comes to finding the absolute peak, all right, the best analysts out there, it's impossible. All right, even with years and years of experience, nobody has called the bottom for Bitcoin. All right, Litecoin, XRP, you name it. However, we can get targets or ranges that would be a low risk buy zones for the long term. Now I'm going to go ahead and break these targets up for you. Right here we have a longer time frame. We have an ABC corrective wave. This big ABC corrective wave takes us towards $25 and $19. The question you might be asking yourself, does it have to get triggered? Is it mandatory that this zone is triggered? And the answer is no. Okay, the answer is no, because on a local time frame structure, we're forming another complex Elliott wave correction, and we have different bottoms. All right, guys, this tool that I'm using right here is so handy. All right, I didn't know I can group stuff, turn off the previous one, turn on, it's just very nice and handy. I can go ahead and organize my stuff. But as I was saying, this local wave time frame, which I have highlighted right over here, we have three different readings. All right, we have one for a flat corrective wave, which is right over here, which is a flat corrective wave at $41 or $40, give or take. This is our flat corrective wave. And then we have our irregular or expanded, which I have highlighted right over here, which takes us to approximately that $28 range. And our bullish harmonic in green takes us towards that $37 mark. All right, so any of these, and then we have our big boy structure, which we discussed at the beginning of the video. We have an ABC flat corrective wave within $25 to approximately that $19 mark. So wherever the algorithm decides to kick in for that bottom, that's going to be the bottom. All right, it could be at 40, it could be at 28, it could be at 37, it could be within $19 to $25. All right, I don't know which one, but what I do know is we're basically at the bottom. All right, we're like, how far more do we have to go? I mean, it's a big percentage, and I understand that. I mean, if we look at, if you enter a long position right over here, you're risking a good chunk of your money. So buying at this flat wave, worst case, you'd be down 50%, but sooner or later you'd be up 250%. The bottom is at $37. You're looking at 288%. It's an irregular. You're looking at 410%. And last but not least, if it's within this long-term range at $19 to $25, you're looking within 635% to around 500%. Cool. So best strategy, and this is why I'm mentioning dollar cost averaging, is very important. However you want a dollar cost average, that's up to you. You can maybe do 10% here. You can do 20. You can do 30. And then final, but at $19 to $25 range. Now there's a possibility we might not even trigger this $19 mark. And if that's the case, that's fine. Our 100% confirmation that we're headed for this $135 zone would be a break and hold above $61. So hold and break above. This is where you set up your buy stops. And go ahead and enter, and take profit would be at 144 zone. I hope this somewhat gave you guys a better idea, understanding of why I've been giving multiple bottoms. If you guys have any further questions, by all means, go ahead, shoot your questions in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Without further ado, I'll see you all in the next video.